Breeze Care offers an innovative approach to hair care and styling with its multi-purpose portable design. This sleek and practical device provides the flexibility of natural wind drying, which reduces heat damage to your hair while maintaining moisture. Equipped with 4 powerful fans, it ensures rapid drying, making it an ideal tool for those on the go. Its UVC LED function not only enhances the drying process, but also works as a sanitizer, helping to maintain cleaner, healthier hair. Tired of bland store-bought plant-based milk filled with thickeners and preservatives? Step into the modern kitchen with a smarter solution that gives you full control over ingredients, texture, and freshness without the additives. The Smart Home plant-based milk maker transforms raw ingredients into silky, nutrient-rich milk with precision and ease, right from your countertop. This sleek countertop appliance uses high-speed blending and controlled heating to extract milk from your favorite ingredients like almonds, oats, soybeans, and cashews. The Framer Creator Micro 2 is the ultimate tool designed to elevate your creative workflow with precision and flexibility. Wireless and lightweight, it blends a tactile interface with the efficiency of customizable shortcuts to give you full control of your digital workspace. Each move you make with the joystick activates a radial menu that's fully customizable, placing essential tools just a thumb's reach away. The 45 keycaps, including the Framer Icon keyset, let you build muscle memory for faster actions. In the world of visual storytelling, precision and flexibility define the outcome. Zootbox Studio steps in as an adaptive creative ally. Built around a fully open magnetized aluminum cube, it delivers a new era of customization. This 12-inch cube features a robust magnetic frame that enables secure, tool-free attachment of accessories, lighting, cameras, and modifiers. Designed with creators in mind, Zootbox Studio brings unmatched accessibility and control. The Brevoy Espresso Maker offers an innovative solution for coffee lovers on the go. This portable espresso machine is designed to brew both ground coffee and capsules, allowing for versatile brewing options. With a robust 20-bar pressure system, it extracts rich, full-bodied espresso, mimicking the experience of a traditional espresso machine. Whether you prefer your coffee from capsules or freshly ground beans, this device accommodates both seamlessly. Its compact design makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, including camping, RV trips, or hiking. Shut out the noise and focus on what matters most: your voice. The Be Free 2.0 sound. Isolation Booth creates a powerful acoustic shield wherever you set it up. With 26 decibels of noise reduction and 89% sound absorption, this booth ensures clarity in every note, word, or recording. Whether you're tracking vocals, laying down a podcast, or joining high-stakes video calls, this booth holds back distractions so you can dial in pure, uninterrupted sound. Breathe beneath the waves without the burden of traditional tanks. Sea Air redefines how we explore the underwater world. Engineered for simplicity and efficiency, this fully self-contained tankless diving system floats effortlessly on the surface while delivering clean, reliable air to divers below through a high-performance battery-powered compressor. Compact and lightweight, Sea Air makes every dive smoother, longer, and more accessible, whether you're exploring coral reefs or gliding through calm coastal waters. Step into a realm where technology and ambiance converge to elevate your living space. Xzoi One. Designed to transform how you interact with light, Xzoi One combines advanced AI features with artistic design to craft a truly immersive environment. With a sleek, futuristic aesthetic, it turns any room into a haven of endless possibilities. At the heart of Xzoi One is its groundbreaking AI-powered lighting system, which tailors the environment to match your moods, music, and personal preferences. Crafted for urban movement, this helmet redefines versatility for cyclists and scooter riders alike. Engineered with an innovative collapsible design, it compresses to nearly half its original size, ideal for tight backpack storage, lockers, or desk drawers. It's built to serve both men and women, blending convenience with advanced protection for everyday commuting. Safety meets visibility with ultra-bright integrated lights, enhancing your presence whether you're pedaling through pre-dawn streets or cruising home after dark. Moisture meets elegance in the Aeromoss Planting Humidifier, a refined addition to any living space that harmonizes wellness with nature. With a 500 milliliter tank, it quietly delivers ultra-fine mist for up to 10 hours straight using ultrasonic atomization. The soft hum barely registers, making it ideal for bedrooms, workspaces, or meditation corners. Embedded within its sleek form is a planting box tailored for compact greenery like moss or delicate ferns, bringing a dash of living decor to your surroundings. Tactile precision meets compact utility in this reimagined everyday essential. Crafted for those who value sleek form and smart function, this minimalist wallet stows up to 5 cards without sacrificing durability or access. A fan-style deployment delivers a crisp, satisfying metal click each time you open it, making every transaction feel intentional. Hidden inside its clean silhouette is a pocket-sized multi-tool. A discreetly integrated knife provides reliable cutting power when you need it most. The Ultimatum bag stands as a refined solution for modern, minimalist living. Its intelligent modular design adapts effortlessly to a wide range of environments, offering seamless transitions between work, leisure, or travel. With its emphasis on functionality, the bag is tailored to accommodate everything you need without excess. Equipped with versatile compartments, the Ultimatum bag allows for easy organization, ensuring that your essentials are readily accessible. Transform your TV watching or holiday gatherings with the Govee DreamView T1. This innovative system uses a 1080p intelligent camera to capture the colors on your screen and automatically adjust the backlights of your TV, ensuring a dynamic and immersive experience. Unlike other systems, it offers higher resolution for precise color recognition, giving you the perfect lighting to match every scene. Keep in mind that the camera is designed only for color capturing, not for projections or audio purposes. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. Tucked into your palm like a hidden relic, this precision-built instrument merges classic navigation with modern survival ingenuity. Forged from aerospace-grade GR5 titanium, its frame is as tough as it is refined, built to endure punishing elements while weighing nearly nothing. Its standout feature is a 15 times folding loop, not just for observation but capable of igniting tinder in sunlight, an unexpected fire starter that turns this tool into a true multi-mission asset. Compact, consistent, and built to perform, this pasta maker brings fresh homemade pasta to your kitchen without the hassle. It automatically kneads and extrudes 2 to 3 servings of pasta in just 18 minutes, making it a time-saving tool for busy cooks who crave quality. Its uniquely designed stirring bar ensures efficient mixing, and the included shaping discs, spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine deliver smooth, uniform pasta with a double extrusion process. Set your desk in motion with a precision-crafted kinetic fingertip flip skill toy built to mesmerize. Designed to flip, roll, and fall with a natural rhythm, this skill toy invites repeated interaction through effortless balance and unexpected movement. Compact and smooth, at just over 2 inches long, it fits perfectly in your hand or pocket, ready to engage your focus whenever the need strikes. The kinetic fingertip flip skill toy is more than just a visual trick. It's a desk companion that relieves tension, sparks creativity, and trains dexterity. The Chirp RPM Mini is a compact yet powerful percussion massager designed to deliver deep tissue relief and muscle recovery. Whether you're recovering from an intense workout or just need to relax, this massager uses percussive therapy to target tight muscles and alleviate tension. With its 3-speed settings, it offers versatile intensity levels, allowing you to adjust the massage to your preference for a personalized experience. Precision isn't just a promise, it's engineered into every scan with the 3D Maker Pro Seal. Built to reveal the finest dimensions, this compact powerhouse captures details with 0.01mm accuracy and resolution up to 0.05mm. Thanks to advanced blue light encoded structured light technology, even the most subtle textures, faint dents, grainy surfaces, or intricate edges, are rendered into crisp, high-resolution 3D models. Roam X is an innovative e-wagon that blends the convenience of remote control with the practicality of outdoor exploration. Featuring dual motors capable of producing up to 1,200 watts of power, it effortlessly handles a load of up to 440 pounds, ensuring you can carry gear on all your adventures without the usual strain. Whether navigating uphill or downhill, Roam X's intelligent speed control adjusts automatically, providing smooth handling without compromising safety. Cheerdots 2 redefines convenience and functionality with its innovative multifunctional design. This smart mouse seamlessly blends an Air Mouse, wireless touchpad, presentation pen, and recording pen into one compact device. Weighing only 70 grams, it's lightweight and portable, perfect for those who need to stay mobile. The ergonomic shape fits naturally in your hand, making it ideal for extended use without discomfort. The Air Mouse operates in 2 modes, desktop and air mode. When the thrill of racing meets the precision of engineering, you get Wincible, the compact wind tunnel that transforms your desk into a testing ground for your die-cast cars. Designed for serious enthusiasts, this gadget doesn't just sit pretty beside your monitor. It brings air, speed, and science right to your fingertips. Built with a love for both model cars and real-world aerodynamics, Wincible lets you simulate airflow like an F1 team. The TP-Link TLWR302X travel router is a compact yet powerful device designed for seamless internet connectivity during travel. Offering a multi-gig portable solution, it supports OpenVPN and WireGuard, ensuring secure connections no matter where you are. Whether you're in a hotel, on a cruise, or navigating airports, this router provides reliable and fast Wi-Fi, making it ideal for public Wi-Fi sharing. The AirSelfie Air Neo is a compact yet powerful mini drone designed to elevate your aerial photography experience. Built for beginners and experts alike, this drone features an impressive 2K camera capable of capturing stunning, high-quality images and videos. Whether you're looking to shoot unique footage or simply have fun flying, the Air Neo offers an intuitive, user-friendly design, making it an ideal choice for all skill levels. When relaxation demands more than just warm water, the Cabo steps in as a commanding presence in your backyard. Built for indulgence and engineered for year-round use, this spa blends smart tech, robust construction, and thoughtful design into one immersive retreat. Measuring generously with a square footprint, it accommodates up to 6 adults with ease, offering both comfort and space to stretch out. The dual massage system combines 140 soothing air jets with 4 targeted hydrojets, delivering a layered spa experience at 2 adjustable intensity levels. When nightfall blankets the landscape and visibility drops, the Tevele telescopic lantern stands ready to illuminate your surroundings with authority. Emitting up to 800 lumens of crisp, wide-angle light, this compact powerhouse adapts to your needs with adjustable height and intelligent brightness control. The built-in smart remote gives you hands-free command over light intensity and mode, whether you're deep in the woods or sheltering during a blackout. Every second on the road demands attention, and now there's a tool that sharpens your awareness without weighing you down. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, these ultralight CyberSight HUD glasses transform how you experience every drive, ride, or run. Designed with an integrated road safety system, they provide timely body alerts and real-time navigation guidance, all projected clearly into your line of sight. The heads-up display eliminates the need to glance down at phones or maps, helping you stay focused where it matters most. The TBK211 digital soldering station combo offers an efficient, versatile solution for precise soldering. It stands out with rapid heating capabilities, reaching the desired temperature quickly, ensuring minimal waiting time for users. Designed for accuracy, it maintains a stable temperature throughout the soldering process, enhancing the quality and reliability of every joint. The included cleaning sponge helps maintain a clean tip, extending the life of the soldering iron. Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. The Cuisinart bread maker machine offers a modern solution for making fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. Designed for ease of use, it features 12 pre-programmed menu options, making it simple to bake a wide range of bread types. Whether you're after a classic white loaf or a hearty whole grain, the fully automatic system takes care of the details, leaving you to enjoy the results. This bread maker accommodates loaves up to 2 pounds and provides 3 different crust shades: light, medium, and dark. The Hybrid M chair is designed to transform your seating experience into something extraordinary, combining relaxation and productivity in one sleek package. Perfect for gamers and professionals, this chair offers a revolutionary solution to alleviate the aches and strains caused by extended sitting sessions. Incorporating a built-in massage module, the Hybrid M brings immediate comfort with its innovative design. No cords, no limitations, just pure freedom to enjoy a personalized massage experience anytime, anywhere. Whether you're battling a dead battery or clearing crumbs from tight corners, this powerhouse tool meets the moment. The Dustbuster X is engineered as a complete vehicle companion, integrating raw suction force, essential emergency tools, and mobile convenience in a rugged, travel-ready form. The versatile air pump inflates tires, sports gear, and air mattresses up to 120 psi, while the Jump Starter revives 12 V-car batteries in seconds. No cables or second vehicle required.